And we see people say all the time, like, if you just do more breath work, if you do this nervous system retraining, if you regulate more, but like, you cannot outregulate a pathogen that is stimulating your nervous system. And when we bring that immune therapy in and start addressing it and those pathogens start leaving, the anxiety shift is wild. You go from feeling, I always ask people, like, are you anxious about something that is a situation you know that happened, or you're worried? Or does it just feel like your finger's been put in a light socket? And it's more that anxiety that's present with Lyme, and it really can shift so quickly. And it's not something that we think of as like, oh, this is a bug-borne symptom.